Now, how much money do I need to start? This is a very common question that I had as well when I was starting out. A lot of people are asking themselves this because obviously most people are probably starting off with not so much money, just a lower starting budget. So to answer this question, you can actually successfully start selling on Amazon FBA. You can start your business with as little as $1,000. Now, the more you have, obviously, the better. And the truth is that, a lot of people don't talk about this, but on Amazon FBA, e-commerce is a cash-intensive business. No one says this. No one talks about this in their YouTube videos because they just want you to buy their course and stuff. But the truth is, and I want you to succeed, so I have to tell you the truth, that with e-commerce, you need units to be able to sell. And to have the units to sell, obviously, you need to, have cash to be able to purchase those units. And by units, I'm talking about the units of your product. So the actual, inventory that you're going to order, because obviously you need inventory to actually sell. And I'm going to explain how exactly the entire process works and everything. So, don't worry, we're going to go step by step here. But you can start off with as little as $1,000, but if you have a starting budget of $2,000, $3,000, even better. If you have a starting budget of $5,000 to $10,000, that's perfect, but you definitely don't need $5,000 or even $10,000 to start. Absolutely not. I actually started off with $1,800, so that's $1,800, and I was able to turn that into that $32K in a single month with one product. So it definitely is possible. It's just that with a lower starting budget, you will have to invest in a cheaper product, which is totally fine because there are tons of very cheap products that you can get that you can actually brand and you can sell for a very healthy profit margin, for something like $15, $20, $25 and higher. So the answer, at the absolute minimum, you need $1,000. And, the higher you have, closer to 2, 3, 5, and 10, the better. But you definitely don't need 5 and 10, and you definitely don't even need 3. Honestly, I've had thousands of people change their lives and build successful businesses just from my free videos here on YouTube that I make. And I've seen people start with $1,000 and turn that into 6 figures and 7-figure incomes. I've seen people start off with $10,000 and, they were only able to turn it into 5 figures. So it really depends on your product. It really depends on your own individual journey towards success. As I say a lot, we're all on our individual journeys, and no two journeys to success will be exactly the same. So even though I'm presenting to you a formula that you can follow, and that if you actually follow, you will be able to succeed, and there's a high chance that you will succeed, it doesn't mean that your journey will be exactly the same as mine, and likely it won't be. But because you have access to this video, you have access to this strategy that I'm presenting to you here, which has never been presented before in any YouTube videos, or it's behind some kind of a paywall for $2,000 or $3,000 that basically other people sell on their courses, and I'm literally giving it away for free. You will be able to shortcut your time to success, and you'll be able to avoid making all those mistakes that you would make if you didn't have access to the steps that I'm giving you here in this video.